My friends of Yerucham, how are you? Shalom, Manishma. I don't need an introduction because all my family there knows me already. I want to send this message to Avichai, Noah, and Abigail for a great job that you guys put together. Noah and Abigail throughout the year, being part of our family in our JCC, and Avichai for coming to our summer camp and spend some time together and do the Yalili dance together, everybody. We really miss you. We look forward to see you again. And you really made an impact in our JCC through the year and this summer. So on behalf of myself, okay, and to all the Yerucham family.
Hello, my girls. You don't understand how much I miss you. You know, it's incredible that you were here so long, and it seemed like you were here only 1 month. And all of us miss you, but I'm here to tell you so. Happy Rosh Hashanah. Hope your families are as happy to have you as we were to have you here. See you real soon when Dror takes me to Yerucham, okay? Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, all my friends from Yerucham. Do you remember me? I still think about all of you every day, about Noah, Abigail, Abihail, all of you. We really have such a good time with you guys here. And I think about you, all of you around these days, so close to the holidays. And I wish you all a very happy New Year. And I hope that someday you will be back here, because we did enjoy having you all, okay? So I wish you the best.
בגד במשעול אל העין, בגד בנתיב ללא כלום, בגד עם הזמן הבורח, והזמן לא שוכח להציב את הגבול, בגד מכף יד מלטפת, בדד ולא שכם ידיד, בדד כמה טוב לא לדעת שידך כבר נוגעת בידו של אחר, בדד אלך גם תפילה אין לי, בדד